วัสดีค่ะ Hello everyone. My name is Joy Kwon from Seneca Polytechnic, which is located in Toronto, Canada. At Seneca Polytechnic, you will experience world-class education along with the cutting-edge technology, innovative programs, and industry connection that will help you for success in a global market. Seneca Polytechnic offers a 4-year bachelor degree and 3-year bachelor degree as well, and 3-year diploma, 3-year advanced diploma, 2-year diploma, and 1-year certificate, and 1 or 2-year graduate certificate in various areas of study. If you're interested in becoming pilot, Seneca offers aviation technology degree program where you can become a pilot. We have a great business program where you want to focus on entrepreneurship, insurance, international business, or international transportation customs. You can specialize in specific area. Or if you are interested in art program, we have animation, illustration, interactive media design arts. So there's many programs that you can choose. Experiential learning, industry connection, and top-tier faculty. Start your adventure journey at Seneca Polytechnic. From here, you can go anywhere. I will see you soon in Toronto at Seneca Polytechnic. Bye, everyone.